that. We're gonna add that and add honey. This is Somali food for real. There's already butter in there. We'll add olive oil too. We put like half a cup of olive oil. Believe that. Honey. Let's get the spoon. It has to be like that. See that? The honey and the olive oil. Get it. Smash it together. Sekolah, ano, you know? Sekolah kung kanan. Sekolah. Naktu is wala ke, until wala sekolah ka. Smith ngon. It's not the same, right? Two different words. I'm bolo wala. Naktu is wala ke, I'm bolo wala ke. Just like that. That. I didn't add sugar though. Still like sugar free. Sugar free, you feel me? Ooh. And today is like a rainy day, so mama used to make it just like that on a rainy day. Let's give it a taste. Bismillah. Tastes like back home. My mama and Lucia. I'm all day long. Love, part 2, subscribe.